Yeah, we can start now.
Yes, we can start.
Yes.
We, yes, here we go. We start the function with the permission of the chair.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, respected dignitaries, students, and future designers. Being an engineer, an idea in a mind is a common thing. But to convert that idea into reality is rare and difficult. And it is rightly said, engineers are the architect of this modern world. On behalf of LJ University, I am Jignesh Chadwar, feeling privileged to welcome you all to the inauguration ceremony of the Conception Product Design Battle powered by Autodesk and hosted by LJ University. We are feeling proud and honored to have distinguished personalities with us. I would take a chance to introduce all of them. Mr. Dipankar Bhattacharya, Head India and Asian Education Experience Autodesk. Dr. Dinesh Avasthi, Honorable Vice Chancellor LJ University. Dr. PM George, Head of Department Mechanical Engineering, BVM Engineering College. Professor Jayendra Vasani, Assistant Professor Automobile Engineering, LD College of Engineering. Dr. Manish Shah, Vice President, Lok Jagruti Kendra. Dr. Mahesh Kumar Kela, Director, LJ Polytechnic. Dr. Anil Suthar, Director, New LJ Engineering College. So now let's have words of wisdom from our dignitaries. I would request Mr. Dipankar Bhattacharya to share his ideas and thoughts on future of making things. Please, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Jignesh. And first of all, on behalf of Autodesk and the Autodesk education team, a warm welcome to all the dignitaries who are present here. I'm given to understand that the Vice Chancellor of LG University, Avasthi, is also amongst us in this inauguration ceremony. So on behalf of the Autodesk, I would like to extend a warm welcome. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to all the other people present here. So at the outset, I am extremely pleased to host this design competition on behalf of the Autodesk education team. This design competition, which is basically an initiative between LJ University and Autodesk to actually empower the next generation of engineers and designers for and equipping them with the latest skills, tool sets, and the skill sets, primarily with our latest cloud-based technology, which is the Fusion 360. So I'm extremely delighted that students will be using Fusion 360 as a part of this design competition. I don't know how many students have registered, but I'm quite sure that we will have a substantial number of students who would be participating in this competition. And as a part of this competition, Autodesk is pleased to, co-host this competition along with LJ University. As far as design competition goes, I think Autodesk is not new to the design competition. Autodesk has been hosting design competitions across different geographies, including India. We have partnered with different universities, including Anna University and Gujarat Technological University, in organizing and hosting design competitions to empower and inspire the next generation of designers and students. So I'm once again, on behalf of Autodesk, I'm extremely pleased to welcome all of you. I wish all the students the very best for the design competition, and may the best student or the best student team win this competition. All the best to everyone, and thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Deepankar Bhattacharya, for sharing your thoughts and words of inspiration for all of us. Now, I would like to invite Dr. PM George to share his views on importance of design in engineering. Please, sir.
Very good evening to one and all present. In fact, when we talk about design, we say that, creating the physical size and shape of a component or something which is required to be used somewhere. And in that context, we talk about tolerances. Nowadays, we talk about linear tolerances as well as the geometrical tolerances. We put a lot of stress on that. But we know that before coming to that stage, we need to talk about the conceptualization of a design. So ideas need to be created, the concepts need to be created. So when we talk about that, I put it like this: it's a process of generating ideas for an optimum solution to the design problem. In most situations, product ideas are inspired by some need or want expressed by people, often in non-specific terms as a sought for goal. So we know that, idea is the key aspect of any new product that has come into the existence. We have plenty of examples, starting with the flying machines of Wright brothers, then transistor, etc. I mean, to name just two, we have plenty of them. We know that. But how these ideas are generated? Who can give the ideas? Do we have, can everybody give the ideas? So when we look into that idea generators, we know that, over the years, if you recall I always used to quote this, the term robota that was used by the Czechoslovakian brothers in science fiction that later on turned out to be the robot, that is the basis for creating the robot. So the novices, researchers, salespeople, customers, science fiction people, they all can contribute. Of course, they need to have a flair for that. So they need to have a kind of inclination for that. So those people can create ideas. So idea generation or ideation is very much essential. And it's a creative process that encompasses the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concepts, which become the basis of your innovation strategy. Moreover, the conceptual design phase results in a description of a proposed system in terms of a set of integrated ideas about what it should do, how it should behave, and what it should look like. Visualizing your product is an important aspect of verifying the complete design intent. So the design intent is something which is very significant as far as the designer is concerned, because designer would design something which the manufacturing people need not produce. So in general terms, we call it a production design. So production design is something different. Product design is something different. So product design need to be made a production design to make it economically viable. That's another aspect we need to look into when you talk about the designs. Hope that, these things will be exposed to the budding engineers over a period of time. And concept generation is a procedure that begins with a set of customer needs and target specifications and result in an array of product concept design alternatives from which a final design will be selected. And here, I would like to stress on the generation of alternatives. So unless otherwise we have alternatives, we cannot think about the optimum design. We cannot think about the best design, best concept that is available. So idea generation, no, if I am not wrong, I think it is 1:40. If you have 40 ideas, one would be a viable one. So this would be the ratio. So you create a lot of ideas.
Have we lost him?
So we need to have the best ideas that are possible, which can be converted into a product. And these steps require a more abstract style of thinking than perhaps most engineers are used to, because engineers generally have a stereotype thinking. You have to think differently. In value engineering, we call it off the beaten track. So if you can go for the off the beaten track thinking, you can create better ideas. You can create better ideas and implement it so that better designs and products would be available for the society, because after all, it is serving the society. Of course, you create profit out of it. It's a business strategy. So the steps for creating the concept is understanding the problem, researching on established solutions, brainstorming and ideation, assessing the ideas and solutions, and finally pick the winner and start work on it. That means you come to create a conclusion. You have, create a design, a best design that is possible, hence a new product. And all modern tools you might be using for this kind of activities. Hope that, modern tools like the Fusion 360, people would be using for this kind of activities. I hope that this workshop would be useful for all the participants, budding engineers who are involved in this. Thank you one and all for listening to me patiently. Thank you very much.
Definitely, sir. It would be very helpful to our students and future designers. Thank you, Dr. P.M. George, for sharing your views on the design concept. Moving further, I would like to invite Professor Jayendra Vasani to share his thoughts on automobile design.
Good evening to all the respected dignitaries in this meeting and all the students who are present into this meeting. On behalf of LDC SE Collegiate Club, I would like to thank LJ University who has executed this event wonderfully along with the Autodesk team. So if I say in general, जैसे शुरुआत में सर ने बात की थी, in engineering कोई भी प्रोडक्ट का जनरेशन कॉन्सेप्ट से शुरू होता है. You are generating a concept, and in order to convert that concept into the reality, you are carrying out one beautiful process, and that process gets smoothened out with help of the utilization of this design software. So with help of this design software, we are able to convert that product into reality in less time and by saving the money, and that is the prime thing for any industry. And that's why we see broad application of this design software into industry. As I'm also briefed that, already 6 or 7 sessions are already being conducted for all these attendees, and they have also got hands-on practice. So this is going to be a very useful to all the students, कि जब आप खुद करोगे ये चीज, जब आप खुद थोड़ा सोचो कि ये जो 6-7 सेशन से पहले आपकी जो कंडीशन थी और अभी जो आप हो, तो आप में एक अलग से कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हो चुका होगा. You must be feeling that thing. So yes, you are moving yourself ahead by getting this practical session. तो definitely अभी शायद आप स्टूडेंट को मे भी इतना पता नहीं होगा, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट यस ये जो प्रैक्टिकल सेशन का एक्सपीरियंस है वो आपको आगे जाके बहुत 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 काम आएगा. तो by anyhow, आप आगे इसमें competition is a part of your learning, but whether you win or lose, whatever is going to happen, but I'm pretty much sure that this experience is going to help you a lot. And I'm extremely thankful for the university, the entire team, and Autodesk for executing this event. And I also extend my hand on behalf of LDC Collegiate Club that in future also, if we want to conduct this kind of an event, we are always ready. And we are already executing this kind of events. Our club has already conducted more than 24 events this year. And we had also a workshop with help of your respected faculties also. So it's pleasure for us to be part of your event, and we are extremely happy for this. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Professor Jayendra Vasani, for sharing your thoughts on this competition and of course on automobile design. Now, I would request Honorable Vice Chancellor, LJ University, Dr. Dinesh Awasthi sir, for presidential address and to share his words of wisdom on innovation and design.
Thank you very much, Professor Chatwar, Professor Sheikh, Mr. Dipankar Bhattacharya, Dr. George, Professor Vasani. I am very delighted to be amongst all of you for this very, very creative activity. I must congratulate and compliment 96 students who are at the moment present in this event for trying out their wisdom and their creativity. To me, design has always been a kind of black box because things come from nowhere. I mean, a designer is the one who sees things which do not exist but could be seen. This is what designer is all about. So seeing something invisible, and that requires a different kind of mindset, a different kind of creativity. And I'm extremely delighted and happy to really see that not only Autodesk, which I must compliment to who have decided to partner with us, but this activity is cross institutional activity. I think these are the days of networking and collaboration. And I'm very happy that besides LJ, we are able to collaborate with LD College of Engineering and BPM Engineering College. I must thank the authorities of these colleges who agreed to partner and join hands with us. It's always a delight to
Did we lost,
I
sir?
think I think there is some technical issue.
Yeah.
Let's wait for 1 minute till the connection established once again.
I'm sorry for this technology goof up. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I was trying to say is that when next time we do it, can we have teams, cross institutional teams? There's some students from LJ, some students from LD, and some students from BBM or other colleges. They make a team, so that it's a cross fertilization of ideas, because every institution has its own culture, its own way of thinking. So once students from other institutions and also other disciplines, they join hands, why not some students from design, some students from mechanical, some students from electronics, they come together and join hands. I mean, that will be something exciting to really look at. When you have cross-cultural, functional teams from different institutions and they collaborate and work, that will be real fun. So I would like to urge that next time when we have this kind of event, we should try to create teams which are at least cross-institutional, so that it will have a lot of leverage. Our students will get exposed to LD and BV culture, their faculty, and their students will get exposed to our faculty. So it will have, as I'm sure, a good strategy to enhance, because it augments it. It won't be linear. It will be geometrical progression in way of thinking. I was also looking at some internet, and asking myself, what is good design? And then those who are participating, about 100 of them, when they try to create design, particularly in food, beverage industry, in furniture, in agriculture, in medical impact, I mean, they're very diverse kind of fields. So when you design, how you go about it? And the first step will be to identify problems which are not seen by even the stakeholders. They know there are some problems, but they can't define those problems. So can we start from defining those problems, identify those problems, and then create solutions which are efficient, which are aesthetic, which are simple to use, which are affordable, which communicate and which solve problem. So if they can come across such products, then let us see who has done best. And as speaker before me was talking about, that it's not important to win or lose, it is important to participate. Because once you have participated, you have already won. Now it is a matter of degree, whether your idea was very good or not so good. Your idea was good but not appreciated by others. That is a different thing. But the kind of learning which you get, that is more important. So those all who are going to participate, for me, all of them are winners. Nobody is loser. Because they have already won the moment they started participating. Because they have started thinking differently. And innovation is all about thinking differently. So once you have started thinking differently, it is a matter of time when you come up. So my compliments to all the students from LD, from BBM, from LJ, those who are participating, who have come forward, and who have accepted the challenge of design. I'm sure there are serious problems in agriculture. I mean, right from irrigation systems to harvesting to plowing. I mean, you take any activity, pre-harvest, post-harvest, harvest, everywhere you require some kind of innovation. And that innovation, what will it do? It will help ease the life of farmer. It will facilitate farmer to conduct those operations more easily. So same thing is in food, beverage, particularly packaging. I mean, you have a good product, but if packaging is not attractive enough, nobody buys it. So packaging is becoming very important. I think some students should try to focus on packaging of in food processing. Smart furniture, I mean, you could look at different dimensions, how you make it more usable, more lighter, more functional, using different material, composite material even, which is more durable and much more lighter. Similarly, in medical devices are one area where huge scope for designs. So I think I see a very interesting time ahead of all of you, all the faculty members, all the students, and to me, I will be very keen to know what has happened. And I would request you to keep me posting. And I will also request you to inform me. If I have time, I'll certainly like to participate when presentations are being made. Because that is very, very exciting. So I would like to be part of this excitement, part of this journey. Thank you very much for inviting me to speak and share my thoughts. So nice of you. Thank you, Dr. Bhattacharya, again for collaborating with us. Please keep on doing it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Honorable. Thank you, Honorable Dr. Dinesh Awasthi, sir, for sharing your extraordinary suggestions, ideas, and words of motivation for all of us, including students as well as faculties. Now, I would request Professor Mohammad Azim to showcase the whole roadmap of the conception product design battle.
Thank you so much, Jignesh sir. First of all, I would like to show the registration website. Most of the participants have already checked our website. If still they haven't checked, please go to this URL or scan this code to reach the website for every single detail of the event. We have also added some features like resources for the event. First of all, you will see this button apply with DevFolio on our website. As we all know, today is the last day of registration. If some of your friends missed registration, then they can still register themselves today. From tomorrow, the design phase is starting. So this button will be converted into the dashboard button, where the students can directly go to the DevFolio dashboard to submit their projects and resources. Also, we have added one feature, access resources page. You can find this pink button. When you click this pink button, you will get various resources like download links of Vision 360 tutorials and our session recordings, as well as the presentation templates, etc. So make sure to check the resources page. Now I would like to explore the objective of this event, as this design battle brings the opportunity to learn designing skills, showcase creative projects, and win exciting prizes. Also, some innovative projects have opportunity for mentoring as well as prototyping support. Now have a glance to the timeline. Our designing and submission period will be start from tomorrow. So we have divided the design phase into two phases, separated by a mid-jury. Mid-review and jury will help our participants to improve their designs for final submissions. And we will be closing the final submission at 25th of August. So make sure to get ready for design phase, and we will announce the winners after evaluating the jury after the design phase completes. These are some more details as Vice Chancellor Sir told. These are the themes and tracks for our event. So first of all, design for food and beverage industry. Second track, smart furniture. Third is design for agriculture and gardening. And fourth, design for medical impact. The students can either submit individually or they can submit in a team, and students are allowed to choose any of these tracks to design their projects. Now the prizes for winners. As we all know, the grand winner will get rupees 10,000 prize money with Autodesk branded merchandise. The first runner-up will get rupees 5,000 with merchandise. The second runner-up will get rupees 3,000 prize money with Autodesk branded merchandise. And in addition to these three winners, we have extra 5 best projects. We will consider them consolation winners, and they will get 1,000 prize money for each with Autodesk branded merchandise. Here are some best projects from the Autodesk community Gujarat. We wish your projects will also featured on the official pages of Autodesk community Gujarat soon. We are so much excited to see your designs there. I would like to invite Mr. Anand Pujari sir, Autodesk accounts manager for education. Would you like to add something for our students, sir? Sir, please.
Thank you so much, Jim sir. Thank you so much for collaborating with Autodesk and making this program a kickstart. Firstly, I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais, Honorable VC sir and other people on the dais. Really appreciate being on Saturday weekend. You people taking time and being part of this inauguration. Really appreciate your involvement in the programs that we do in collaborations. And the big thank you to the complete, even the attendees. I mean, we seen, as Honorable Sir said, we have around 90 plus students attending the session. So my only take would be that, yes, there are a couple of points each one of the speakers here mentioned, that it's a design and it starts from your conceptual design till the fabrication. You should think along what needs to be done. How can I be better in terms of my design and innovative ideas? And consider this as an opportunity for you to upskill as well as showcase your talent, so that you become a good member of this Gujarat Autodesk community. And one thing I would request all the attendees or the registered students to be very, very serious about the competition, because you can understand for the last 3 to 4 weeks, a lot of work has been gone behind to come to a stage of inauguration. So getting the Honorable VC's time and other dignitaries' time is not easy. They have taken time, as well as the work. You can see that presenting, making all the objectives very clear for you to be understandable. So now is your opportunity to understand or take the inputs that are being given by all the dignitaries, work on those things, and make an effort that you will be among the first. So your design goes into the forums that we are looking for, and definitely wishing you all the best. Make the fullest of our opportunity, and we are always here to support. And one of the best part that we this time incorporated is to have a mid review, so that there are certain dignitaries, there are certain expertise who would give you inputs to rethink on your designs and make it better for the final submission. So wishing you all the best once again. And I again take this opportunity to thank the complete LJ College team to working as a backend and making this as a good success to start with, and all the dignitaries for taking their time. Thank you so much, Ajinji.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anand.
Thank you, everyone, on the behalf of LJ University and our Autodesk team. Thank you for spending some time for this inauguration ceremony. We seek for the permission from the chair. We close the function with the permission of chair. Before, yes, sir. Yes, Dr. Manish Shah sir is here. Maybe because of some technical reason, he can't join as a panelist. Sir, if you want to share something here, please,
No,
sir.
I'm very happy the concepts and product design battle is going on. I'm very happy and wish you all the best. And I heard all the panelists view, and the thing is that we'll do in a regular interval, right? And it will enhance the creativity of our students. So thank you very much, Autodesk. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much,
Dr.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, Dr. Manish Shah, sir, for some words of motivation to us and Autodesk as well. From VC, sir, we close the function with permission of chair, sir. If you are permitting.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you.